I'm Ben, Lawn and Garden Service Tech here in Little Falls, Midwest Machinery, here to walk you through how to level your mower deck. Find a nice hard level surface to park your lawnmower with all drive wheels in the forward direction. Make sure tire pressure is adjusted to spec and mower blades are in good condition. Raise your deck up to set your desired cut height, then lower it once it's set to begin leveling. Make sure gauge wheels are not contacting ground right now. Then take the blade and turn it so blade tip is pointing out underneath discharge chute. Use your deck level gauge to check deck level. Repeat process on the other side of the deck and continue back and forth using the provided deck leveling tool underneath the operator seat to make small adjustments until both sides are even. After side-to-side measurement is correct, rotate blade to face forward and backwards and make necessary adjustments using the front draft bar to get the front of the blade down 1/8 inch than the rear. Once deck is level, adjust gauge wheels down as close to the ground as they can get without touching. After this process, your deck should be level and ready to go. If there are any further questions, contact your local Midwest Machinery Service Department.